Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade V40S, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this ZTE. First of all, just open Devices Calendar. If you never used this app before, just click on this icon at the bottom right corner of it and click on Got It. Now you need to tap on the month above and pick a date by tapping on the chosen one. Then you can create your event by tapping over here twice, or selecting this plus icon at the bottom right corner and clicking on event from the list. Either way, now you can adjust it however you want to. For example, add a title. Over here you can pick your email address, pick starting hour, save it by choosing OK, and ending one. If you don't want to do that, you can always disable this feature completely by tapping on this switcher next to all day. Then click on Does Not Repeat and click on one of those options if you want your event to repeat, for example, every year. You can also click on Custom, type in wherever you wish to, and save your changes by tapping on Done at the top right corner. If you don't want your event to repeat though, click on the same option and select Does Not Repeat over here. Now you can also add people, videos, and even just add location. Over here select while using the app or only this time, then type in an address of your happening and click on the correct one. Finally, set up notifications minutes, hours, or weeks before your event. I will go with 3 days before and save my changes by tapping on Done. Take notes, add attachments, and even change color. When you're ready, tap on Save at the top right corner, and after that, as you can see, my event was successfully created. In order to make some changes, just click on it and tap on this pen icon at the top right corner. Now adjust wherever you wish to. Discard your changes by clicking on the top left corner, or save them by clicking on top right one. In order to get rid of your event completely, you need to click on it again, but this time select those 3 dots at the top right corner of it, click on Delete at the top, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!